I be consigo e os niggas já tão de. I be consigo e os niggas já tão de addicted. I be consigo e os niggas.
It's time to take these tape-ins out of my head. It's wash day for your girl, and I'm officially finally about to take these tape-ins out, y'all. It is time, and we're gonna do this at home, okay? I'm gonna do this at home. I've done this plenty of times. So anyway, so I have these tape-ins, y'all. Listen, if you're looking for a good company, I'm gonna link the tutorial down below on where y'all can go watch the tape-in install, the hair company. But listen, this hair company, 10 out of 10, y'all. Besides the hair shedding, of course hair is going to shed, so the hair did shed, y'all. Not gonna lie about that. It didn't shed bad, but it did shed. I had these in for what, a month now? Going on a month. Look at my new growth. My new growth is growing, baby. It's time to wash my hair. It's nothing else that I can do with this, for real. Like, I'm so tired of putting it in a ponytail. I'm so tired of putting it in like buns and stuff. So it's officially time to take this out. And plus, I feel like my real hair, the color was starting to fade. So I do eventually want to retouch up my color. But yes, the tapes have lasted, y'all. Like, nothing slipped out, baby. They are still holding on. Like, they have held on for so long, y'all. So if you looking for a good company, a good brand, check this brand out, y'all. These things is stuck. They're not going nowhere. So yeah, that was the good thing about this company. I will say, like, baby, the tapes did tape, okay? The tapes was taping. So what I'm going to be using, like I did last time I had tape ins, I'm using the Lay Off Adhesive Remover from HairByErickaJ. When I was taking out my tape ins last year when I had some, I was thinking to myself, can't you use lace glue remover? Like, it's kind of the same thing. It's like adhesive, it's like tape, it's glue, like it's the same thing. So I was like, yeah, let me try that out. And when I did it, it worked, y'all. Like, it literally worked. And it worked like how it usually works when I take off my frontals. So, and I have a little left, so I'm gonna try to make this last. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably start with like section by section. All right, let's get into taking these tape-ins out. My hair was so oily, it was itchy, it was dirty, and overall I was just pretty much over it. So yeah, so I'm going to start off sectioning my hair. As y'all can see, the tapes were taped, okay? Like, they didn't go no freaking where. Starting with the HairByErickaJ Laid Off Adhesive Remover. Listen, this stuff is literally crack, y'all, okay? Y'all better come over here and get y'all one of these, baby, okay? Get you one of these. I promise this stuff is going to save you so much time. All I did was go in and I sprayed each side, rubbed it in very good, left it alone for about 3 to 5 minutes. Started on the other side, did the same thing, and then once it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, I came back to the other side that I did at first, and all I did was pull it out, and it slipped right on out. No struggle, no pulling, nothing. Like, it came out like butter, okay, baby? It just slipped right on out. Now, I wasn't able to pull all of them off like this. I think those pieces was just my lucky pieces. But for the rest of my head, all I had to do was just take each side of the tape like this and just take it apart. The top of the head is done. Let's move to the back. So I'm doing the same thing to the back now. I didn't go in and spray each side for the back because, listen, like I said, I only had a little of this stuff left in this bottle. And we gotta make this stuff last. So I only sprayed one side and it still seeped to the other side anyway, so that was good. And yeah, pretty much just spray each side. I left these in longer so they can kind of, you know, cook it up a little bit. So when I come and take it out, it just come on right on out since I only sprayed one side. So yep, that's what y'all see me doing. And yeah, same thing, like I said before, I wasn't able to just pull these out. I had to actually take these apart because the pieces in the back were a little thicker with my hair being attached to it. So I had to actually pull these apart from each side. But overall, this process took less than 30 minutes, y'all. It was so freaking easy. And if I had any struggle pieces, all I did was spray it some more, leave it alone, come back and pull it out, because what we not finna do is pull my hair out, okay? So I'm not finna just pull it out and it's not ready to come out. I'm gonna leave it alone and come back to it. So that's pretty much all I had to do. It was very easy. It did not take me long at all. You can do this by yourself at home, but make sure you have the right products and make sure you have patience, but it didn't take long at all. So yeah. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Cannot wait to wash my hair. Let's get to all right, let's get into my favorite part, washing my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and drench my hair. So I'm using some new products that I did get from Sally's Beauty. So let's see what these products are about. It's the Bun Bar collection. So I'm starting off with the Bonding Pre-Shampoo. One thing I do love about these products that they are cruelty-free, they are vegan, and they are for all hair types. So let's see. So I'm going to start with that shampoo. Now, this shampoo did not like get soapy, because I was wondering, like, am I doing this right? Like, I had to go and read the label and make sure I'm doing it right, because I was like, why is this not getting soapy? But I don't think it gets soapy. So I had to rinse that out. I had to leave that in for 10 minutes, and then I had to rinse it out, by the way. Then I'm going to go in with the bonding shampoo. So I'm going to go in and thoroughly shampoo and focus on my scalp. As y'all can see, my color was starting to lift a little bit. So I don't know if that was the leftover color from my hair. Probably so. And probably just some color from that hairspray that the stylist did use on my hair. But yeah, the color is coming out. Now, that shampoo did have my hair dry after rinsing it. So I went in with some this brand called Texture ID clarifying shampoo, just to bring the moisture back into my hair, because of course I have colored hair, I have processed hair, and we got to make sure I keep my hair moisturized and not so dry and brittle. So that shampoo did bring my hair back to life. I'm gonna go in and detangle my hair as I'm shampooing. Now, if you don't detangle during your shampoo time in the shower, like, what are you doing? Like, this makes the process so much easier. I love to detangle as I'm washing my hair, and it also just makes it easier to manage when I'm done with my hair and when it's time to style and all of that good stuff. And most importantly, it just feels so good to my scalp. So I do like to go in and detangle while I shampoo. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, so when you around me, treat me like all the right, wear me out, arguments, you air me out, tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. Alright, so once that's all rinsed out, I'm going to go back to the Bun Bar, and I'm using their bonding conditioner, and I'm going to apply this all over my hair. Decided to use another conditioner because I wanted double the moisture, so I am going to go in with the Texture ID conditioner, and I'm also going to apply that to my hair as well. And yeah, because like I said, I have bleached hair, so I want to make sure I'm getting double the moisture. I parted my hair into 4 sections, detangle it, and I'm going to apply my shower cap. Going to let my hair sit and do its thing for about 10 good minutes while I go run around the house and do whatever. And then once those 10 minutes are up, I'm going to come back and I'm going to rinse that product out with cool water. Now, if you don't know, then you know now. Make sure you're rinsing your conditioners out with cold water, y'all. It helps lock in that moisture. And let me tell you something, my hair felt so freaking good when I came back to the shower to rinse this out. This was before I rinsed it out, and as you can see, I'm just rubbing my hands through it. It was so soft. It felt so freaking good versus how it felt when I first got in the shower. Like, the moisture definitely locked in. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and rinse that out with some cold water. And while I'm rinsing that out, I'm going to also still go in with my detangle brush and detangle as I'm rinsing out. Now, this is pretty much the end of my wash routine. I don't usually go in and put product on my hair when I'm done. I just let it air dry and do its thing. But like I said, I want my hair to have extra moisture, so I did go in after and put like some conditioner, like some leave-in on my hair for the time being. But this is pretty much it, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check down below for all the product information and all the information on the hair. And thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.